Hello everybody, I have a layout of my kitty cat Jasper, my baby boy. He's no longer with us, he's been gone for a while, but I had these pictures that I just did in Scrapbook, and so I'm going to do that now. And my background is basil cardstock. And so I'm going through my papers, trying to figure out what I want to do. So I'm going to use a Project Life card. I'm going to use the bird pattern, which is Amy Tangerine, Sunshine, and Good Times. Tweet, tweet. I have one more voiceover to do, and then I am caught up with those. I have 3 videos on my camera I need to take off. Then I can do those as well. But I want to finish these 2 voiceovers. That gives me like 25 videos that I gotta get produced and then uploaded to YouTube. And then while those are producing, because it takes a while for one video, I can get about, if I start one in the morning, I can get about 2, maybe 3 videos a day depending on the length. But I want to take apart my dryer and see how much lint is in the back, because it seems to be taking about 80 minutes to dry a medium load, and that shouldn't be. So I'm going to play handyman. Hey, I'm a woman with skill, so if there's something that needs to be done, I can pretty much do it. This chick don't need to rely on no man. So I'm going to make a circle. And that's Pink Fresh Studio, a case of the Blahs called Blossom. It's going to go over there to the right by the picture on the right above it. There we go. And as you see, my page mats book, I am using a page map. I have from years 2005 to current. So when I discovered the page maps, and her page maps are free, I also have her page maps and her page maps 2 books that come with cards. I pull those out from time to time, and then my book. It's so large, so I tend to not use my book, and I don't want to download every time I want a page map. I have to download it to my tablet. It uses up space, so I don't have much space on my tablet to begin with, so I want to, so I'll just decided I'm just going to use my book, and I got it current. I just printed out, I had March, so I had to print out April, May, June, and July, so I am right current, so. And then I'm using my scallop punch to make these circles. And if you look, you can see my book, and it's the one in the middle. It's the very last row of page maps of sketches, and it's the one in the middle. And it has 4 circles at the top left and 4 circles in the bottom right. And so I'm going to adhere those down and then I'm going to leave for a bit. And it's not because I forgot I was recording and I walked away. I am at my sewing machine. I need to get my fingernail polished and paint my toenails. They look awful. because they're chipping. See, here's where I left to go sew. And those are the die cuts I'm going to attempt to use for this kit. I need to try to use my November kits. I have all of my November kits, and I need to use my Freckle Fawn too. I have a lot of my Freckle Fawn stuff. Oh, that's pretty. They got like a, like, I don't know what that is. I was looking at my July kit for Hip Kit. I haven't even opened it up. I just filed it away. Oh, I'm back. Okay. Yeah, I gotta use my November. Because those are winter themed, and so I have to accumulate some winter photos, which I have several, so I'll to take the time to go back to the last 2 years. So, hey Coco, what do you need, baby girl? Oh, you were laying in Mateo's bed just fine, now what? Alright, so the die cuts are Amy Tangerine. And I don't use too many die cuts. I use the bird and the best. And I'm going to use vellum tape for that. And then I'm going to add 2 circles to the Project Life card with hearts, because that's how it shows in the sketch. I was trying to do try to use some more of these die cuts, but it just wasn't working for me. And I think Patton shows up here shortly. So here I'm going to add the hearts. I'm going to do some splatters, just to add a little something something. And when I get my title done, that will complete the layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.